Hi guys! Today I'm sharing with you my eyeshadow palette collection. Since I'm always sitting here giving recommendations to you, I thought I'll do something different. So I hope you enjoyed this style of video. You'll get to see all the things that I love. I'll also tell you why I love them. So if you want to know what my collection looks like, then please keep watching. So these are my eyeshadow palettes. I have 7 palettes here with me, and I did have a lot more than this, but the palettes that I don't love or get much use out of, I give it away to friends and family. So you can tell that these are definitely the ones I love and enjoy using because they've stuck around in my collection all this while. So let me start off with the oldest palette right here, and that is the Too Faced Chocolate Bar palette. It smells like chocolates and it has these beautiful warm tones to it. It has some cool tones as well, mattes, shimmers, and 2 transition or brow bone shades. This is a shimmery champagne and this is a matte cream color. And these smell divine, but they also perform beautifully. This next palette is the NYX Multi Finish Eyeshadow Palette. Again, such beautiful tones. It has 4 different colors in 3 different finishes. This is your matte, satin, as well as your shimmery or metallic shadows. And all these tones are such beautiful colors, looks great on all skin tones because they're all quite warm toned, and even if they are cool, they're purple tones. So purples look beautiful on brown eyes and brown skin. So definitely one you can blindly pick out. This also comes in 2 other variants, a colorful one as well as something more neutral. So if you don't like these purples and peaches, you can definitely check out that more neutral brown toned one. This next palette is the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone 10 Pan Eyeshadow Palette. For the price that they are, I think they are such great quality. You have 2 transition matte shades here which are such beautiful colors and tones. They work great on all skin tones, as well as you have these shimmery shadows in between, as well as one duochrome here which is a green to brown duochrome. I don't know if you can see that. And it's so small and compact, perfect for travel. This is definitely a palette that I take when I'm traveling with me. This is another palette that I really enjoyed. So if you're wanting to dabble in some colors, I highly recommend this because it's affordable, but the quality is so beautiful. You won't believe that this palette costs only this much. And all of these colors are stunning. The mattes are soft and creamy. They blend beautifully. Highly recommend Colourpop shadows. This next palette staring up at you is the Melt Cosmetics Gemini palette. This was a limited edition palette. It's sold out right now. But this palette is definitely for those of you that love these mustard tones and khaki tones here. I love these shades. So the minute I saw this palette, I grabbed it. There are just 2 shimmery shades and there are more matte shades. And palettes hardly come in so many matte colors. So if you love matte eyeshadows and these colors appeal to you, highly recommend it. It's beautiful. I've also tried a liquid lipstick from this brand in a couple of my older videos, and I will link those videos for you if you want to check it out. This next palette is from BH Cosmetics. This is in collaboration with ShanXO. This is called the Remix palette. ShanXO is a YouTuber from Australia, I think, and these are some stunning eyeshadows that she's created. This side of the palette works for your everyday, neutral, office, college, whatever. And these are pretty big shadow pans. Like, let me compare this with the Colourpop shadows. So, do you see the size of this? Now, Colourpop is a lot more affordable, which is why I guess they skimp on this size. These mattes here are stunning, but I love these shimmers, especially this brown tone here, as well as this deeper taupey brown. They look so good all over the lid. It just gives a really light sheen to your eyes, nothing too metallic or over the top. This shadow is a duochrome, the shade called Avocado. It's again that brown to green duochrome, similar to the Wet n Wild Comfort Zone palette. So the shadows are similar, except that this is more blue and this is more green. But they also have another side, and this is your warmer pink tones. They actually had a bright pink here, which I removed and replaced it with another shadow that I had in my collection because that was such a bright candy pink and I never was using it. This is a beautiful duochrome pink to gold shade. This is a stunning highlighter shade as well, and the mattes are really creamy and beautiful. And last but not least is this eyeshadow palette from Dose of Colors. This is the Sassy Sienna's eyeshadow palette. Comes in 5 beautiful matte shades from peach to a little more brown and then your deep rusty brown. The formula is stunning. The only little drawback I have with this palette is that both of these peaches look kind of the same on the eyes, and both of these browns I feel like look the same. This one is a little bit deeper, but even if there are 5 different shadows, sometimes it feels like you're just wearing 2 different eyeshadows, like a brown and a peach. They blend into each other beautifully, but they kind of look similar on the eyes. But I love how compact it is. I mean, it's so travel friendly and the formula is beautiful. I just wish the colors, were a little different than they are. And that was all, guys. I hope you enjoyed my collection. And some of them are a little harder to find, but I will put all the links for all the palettes in the description as usual. So if you're interested in any of them, or if you want to know more about any specific palette, do let me know in the comments below and I would love to answer any questions you have. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a like. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will catch you in my next upload. Bye guys!